Replacing your home's roofing system is a complex process and not something to be undertaken by a handyman. We're here with Rob DeLuca from DeLuca Roofing to find out more.
To ensure that you would get the maximum life expectancy out of your roof shingles, a healthy attic cavity and a properly functioning attic cavity is imperative. That all starts at the soffit. The soffit ventilation is an intake. The roof vents are an exhaust. Cold air is taken and drawn in through the soffit ventilation, which pushes the warm air that gathers and collects inside the attic cavity from built-up heat that escapes partially from the living space and as well from exterior elements heating up the roof surface and heating up the air within that attic cavity. Cold air comes in, displaces the warm air at the ceiling level of the attic and forces the warm air to rise, which it will do naturally, and it exhausts out the roof vents. So adequate roof ventilation is critical, yes, but it is useless without adequate soffit ventilation. With the change of the season and onset of cold weather, not unlike humans, critters are looking for a warm place to spend the winter as well. This is a real serious problem, especially if your house is surrounded by or abuts wooded areas, parklands, and even in the center of the city. Raccoons, possums, squirrels, they're all looking for a nice place to spend the winter, and your attic cavity is as warm and inviting as any other. To protect against that and the costly expense of having to remove varmints that make it into your attic, you can take a little bit of precaution. Great products have been launched on the market right now, such as the RD50 critter screen, which can be installed on top of any 50 square inch roof vent product, retrofitted or along with the initial installation. And it's impervious to almost all rodents. It's made from a heavy gauge steel. It's got a lifetime powder coated finish and can be installed as a retrofit application or along with the installation of your new roof system. It's money well spent and typically 50% of the cost of one rodent removal call.